guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to take you along a Monday in my life. I know it can be hard to be productive on a Monday after the weekend, so I'm gonna be productive in this video and hopefully I inspire you guys to do the same. Monday is the first day of the week, so you have to start off strong, nice and productive to set the rest of the week off for success. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing in this video. If you like this types of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment anything you want down below. So right now I'm going to meditate. I have this little yoga mat or whatever this is, and I am going to meditate. So I feel like doing things that motivate you in the morning really help you set your day up for success. And so lately I've been trying to incorporate meditating first thing in the morning so I could be nice and inspired for the rest of the day. I'm going to go on YouTube and just search up a little 10-minute meditation video, something like that, and just lay my mat down right here and just meditate, open my mind, feel free, so then I could be motivated for the rest of the day, because if not, I just feel like I'm not gonna be as inspired to get this day started. And since it's a Monday, we need an extra push of motivation, so this is the perfect way to start my Monday morning. I think I'm gonna do this video right here just to release some stress and to have a nice and healthy, productive day. Finished my meditation. I feel so relaxed and stress-free, and now I'm ready to start my day. So I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna go make some breakfast and get some nutrition in my body because I really need it right now. I just made some delicious breakfast. I'm gonna eat my little avocado toast with some ham and egg for protein. And then I made my delicious coffee. So I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Breakfast a little bit ago and I digested my food, and right now I'm going to get ready to go to the gym. I'm gonna pick out an outfit and head to the gym because I really gotta get my body moving. Got this little Nike set, super cute. It's these little shorts and then this top. I'm gonna get my running shoes and go to the gym. Just finished my workout and it was so good. Okay, I just got back home from the gym and I am so motivated right now. Honestly, if I'm being honest with you guys, I haven't like worked out that hard in a while. I literally was like running on the treadmill, like I sprinted. I did 12 through 30 and then I was like, you know what, that's not enough. I feel like doing more. And then I just started running and now I'm so motivated and I'm so proud of myself. I'm so happy I did that. I really needed to just let all the toxins out and just run. And I was like running like a track star or whatever. So now I'm sweating. It might not look like I did anything because the thing with me is that I sweat, but it doesn't look like I sweat. But like I'm sweating, I'm wet, like I'm sticky. And my back is like wet, like I'm sweating, but it doesn't look like it. You know those people that like when they're done working out, they're like all red like a tomato and they're like, that's not me. Like I act like that, but like I don't look like that, if that makes sense. I don't know what I'm saying. But right now I'm gonna shower because I want to like clean myself and also have to like wash my hair and everything, because it's time to wash my hair. It's like literally a mess and it's sweaty and gross and I need to wash it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I look crazy, I'm so sorry. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna shower and get all clean, and then we're gonna get ready and continue this Monday motivation, because honestly, I feel very motivated doing this video. So I hope that what I'm doing is like inspiring you guys, because I'm inspiring myself, literally. Like, I did not know that I was just gonna do all these things, but I'm having such a good day so far, and hopefully this video is motivating you, inspiring you. Get up and get your things done, girl, because you know what? Mondays are the best days to just get things done, because Sundays are like reset, like we're resetting for the new week, getting everything in check, relaxing, lighting a candle, whatever. Monday's like boom, 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 for me at least. Like, I love getting so many things done, and I have to edit a video. I have to do a bunch of things. So I just want to like shower right now. I'm gonna get my speaker, turn on some music, and have like a nice little shower. I'm gonna like sing in the shower type vibes. That's what I'm feeling right now. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see you guys when I'm done showering. We're gonna get ready and continue this little vlog. So yeah. Okay, ignore this. My hair is wet, so it got wet, so I put my hair up in a claw clip. But right now I'm gonna do some skincare, and I just feel so good. I just showered and I feel so clean. I really needed that shower. Like, after the gym, having like a cold shower is like the best feeling in the world. And at the end of my shower, I put it at like the most cold, and I did kind of like a cold plunge, which they say that that is so good after a workout, just to take like a cold shower. Like, so good, and it's kind of like a form of therapy for your muscles. So I did that, and I just feel so clean, and I'm so happy that I took that long shower. It felt so good. I was listening to my music. I was just having the time of my life, honestly. I love showering. Like, it's the best feeling ever. I also found this ginormous mason jar. I don't think you understand how big this is. It's literally the size of my head. It's ginormous. Like, I don't know if you could like pick it up, but it's huge. And all my other mason jars are dirty in the dishwasher, so I have to take out the dishwasher. But I have this one and I really was thirsty, so I started drinking it, and I'm determined that I'm gonna drink this whole thing right now, because I really need like some water in my system right now. So just wanted to tell you guys, because I feel like it's huge, and that's so funny. I've never seen a mason jar that big, and I don't even know where it came from. Like, why do we even have that? It's the first time I use it. Anyways, regarding this whole Monday motivation thing, I think personally for me, what makes me feel so productive and motivated and just wanting to get a bunch of things done on Mondays is my routine. So I love having a routine on Mondays. Usually I do the exact same routine every time. It's the same thing as having like a Sunday reset routine, but you have another one for Mondays. And for me, that just helps me get up in the morning, because I know exactly what I have to do. Like, if you wake up on a Monday and you know that you have things to do, but you don't know where to start or how to start or what exactly those things are, like, you know you have to do stuff, but you don't know what they are, I feel like setting a routine, it doesn't have to be the exact same routine every single Monday, but having an idea of things that you have to get done and just looking forward to getting those things done and checking them off a to-do list, I just feel like that helps so much, especially like for me. Like, that's just so important, and I love just checking things off my to-do list and knowing that I have to get stuff done, so I have like the day to like do it, if that makes sense. So that's what helps me. Apart from that, I feel like looking forward to something different also helps. Like, maybe having the exact same routine every single Monday could be boring and can make you like dread doing that thing. So maybe adding like a fun thing into your Monday, like you could have a productive morning, but maybe at the end of getting all your things done, you could meet up with some friends or go out and get a coffee at Starbucks, or just go to the mall, like something, looking forward to a little treat of something after getting all those things done. It's gonna help you want to get those things done and be productive faster, because you have like a little treat waiting for you after that. It's like little kids when you tell them to do something and then you're like, oh, I'll give you candy if you do this. It's basically the exact same thing, because if not, I feel like it could be hard to feel motivated and want to get things done. So having like a little treat to look forward to after being productive could totally help if you struggle with that. Okay, so the next step in this Monday motivation is to make a to-do list. Making a to-do list is key to my productivity, and I think that it's just the best way to get things done. Having your tasks written down helps you know exactly what you have to do, and once you do those things, you can check it off, and it's the most rewarding and satisfying feeling on this planet. You get a weight off your shoulders, and it just feels so nice to check things off as you go. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to make my to-do list. Sometimes I like making them on paper, but right now I want to make them on Notion. I love Notion. You've probably heard so many influencers and YouTubers talk about Notion, but it's not sponsored. It's just like actually so good for planning. I plan all my videos and all my content, everything that I have to plan, I plan it on Notion. It's just so good, so organized, and I love it. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my to-do lists for Mondays or just the weeks in general. Pretty sure I've already showed this in one of my videos, but I have this agenda thing where I have it like weekly. So I have every day of the week. I'm going to be writing my to-do list under Monday, obviously. And I have it like color coded, and I have it just so pretty. So I know exactly like how I have to write it, and it's just so easy to use this platform. Basically, you write whatever you have to do, and then once you do it, you could check it off, and that right there is so satisfying. Okay, so some of the things that I have to do is I have a lot of like YouTube work to get done. So I have to do a thumbnail. So I'm gonna write make thumbnail. I have to edit this video because I have to upload it soon. Edit video. I have to unload the dishwasher. Clean the stove, like the kitchen stove top thing. I have to get ready and also film a TikTok while I get ready. I have to clean like the bathroom and just clean around. For now, that's all I could think of, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna remember more things as I go. So I'm gonna start by probably cleaning because I feel like I have a lot to do. I think I'm gonna start off by unloading the dishwasher because I wanna just get that over with because it's so annoying and such a hassle. So I wanna get that over with, and then we could make our way down the list. And yes, I'm still trying to drink this. I love water. We're going to watch the sunset. So I'm going to go watch the sunset right now and just go on a little drive because why not? I just feel like it, and I got all cozy and I'm just in a red light and I'm gonna go watch the sunset and chill because honestly that's the vibe that I'm feeling right now, and I love it and I'm here for it. And look at the palm trees. You have to be grateful in this life because you only have one life, so live it up all the way. YOLO! Okay, so I just made it to my little destination and I'm like sitting right here. I feel like someone's looking at me vlogging, which that's pretty embarrassing, but I have a fear of people like seeing me record myself. Like it's really embarrassing. But anyways, I'm out here and I'm gonna watch the sunset. I'm just gonna sit here and listen to music because honestly it's a vibe. I'm gonna show you guys, but it's such a vibe. I love it. These little people are fishing. It's so cute. Driving is literally so therapeutic. I love it. I wish I could like drive and listen to music and like vlog at the same time, but copyright. So yeah, that's fun. But I'm just driving around looking at the houses. They're so pretty. Okay, so as you can see, it got dark outside and the light went down. So I'm going home right now. I'm at a red light and I'm just gonna drive home. But I had so much fun watching the sunset. Like, honestly, that really clears my mind and just makes me feel so much better. There's like an alarm going on and I don't know what's going on. Oh, green light, gotta go. Right now, I just winded down and I'm gonna get ready for bed soon, but I wanted to journal really quickly. I feel like journaling really helps get a lot out of your mind, and when you have a lot of things going on, journaling and writing something down on a paper just lets your mind be free, just the same as meditation where you release the stress or anxiety, whatever you're going through. I feel like journaling is another way of doing that, so that's what I'm gonna be doing to end my night off. And yeah, I love writing in my journal. You guys know I do it in a lot of my videos, so I totally recommend, if you don't journal, to start, because it's just so good. It feels amazing and you just get so much out of your mind and you just feel so at peace after. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing right now. That is it for this video. I just finished journaling and I just feel so good right now. I hope that this video inspired you guys in some way, and hopefully you could learn something from this video and implement it into your Monday routine if you have one, or if you're interested in making one. I totally recommend just being productive. It really helps so much when you start your week off with productivity. Monday is just such an important day, and I've learned to love Mondays. Obviously, when I was younger, I used to hate Mondays because I was in school and I was like a little girl and I really hated it because I had like the whole school week ahead. But honestly, you just have to romanticize it, and you have to understand that Mondays are actually such a good day, because if you start your Monday off right, then you have the whole rest of the week to kind of piggyback off of Monday. So if you start by being productive and having a good Monday, then the rest of the week is just gonna flow by and it's gonna be so much easier to get through it. So I totally recommend just doing a bunch of little things on Monday to help set the rest of your week off for success. Anyways, with all that being said, I'm going to close out this video right here. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, comment anything you want down below, any video ideas. I have a lot of content coming up very soon, and I'll see you guys in my next video.